Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have just received this small, well, it's not a box, it's a bag with 4 small diamond paintings in them. I got these all from the same store, and I will link the store in the description box, of course. Ordered this 3 weeks ago, so yeah, took 3 weeks to get to me. And I love the smaller diamond paintings to do like in between projects, because let me tell you, I've been working on this 50 by 80 diamond painting for like forever, and I just, want to take a break sometime, do something smaller. So these are supposed to be, and I'm saying supposed to be, they are supposed to be special shaped diamond paintings. So there are partial shaped diamond paintings, which says something about the design. These should also be partial, but when they're listed as special shaped diamond paintings, that is usually about the diamonds, the drills, that should have a different shape than just plain stuff. So let's see what we have in here, and let's start with this one. Okay, so this definitely looks like a special shaped diamond painting, because you can already see it has the special shapes. So let's open this. If I can find the, okay, here we go. Oh, this is so cute. This is gonna be so cute. Look at this little guy. Oh my, he's so cute. And so many diamonds for such a small painting. This is listed as a 30 by 30. Yeah, probably not. I'm guessing 24 by 24. But that's just a guess. Let's see. 24 by 24. Okay, so we have 12 different gems, stones, drills. These are all more like rhinestones. Okay, I'm skipping over the entire toolkit, but we have 2 baggies, a plate of wax, and a single placer. And we don't even have the black plastic tweezers that are very helpful with special shapes. So let's open this. Let's see what we have. Okay, so lots of lots of the same shape. But these are pretty. Let me zoom you guys in a little, so you can not only see the drill field, but also these diamonds. Okay, these are actually teardrop shapes. These are just plain silver rhinestones. Pink, green, lighter green. Sort of like, I don't know how to describe this color. I'm just skipping over it. Okay. And this one. Now 12 is actually a lot for such a small painting. Let me show you this again. Yeah, looks pretty clear. And when I look at the drill field again, it looks pretty clear. Okay, so this is an awesome small project for me. That will take like 2 to 3 hours, I guess, for me to finish. Let's move on to the next one. This one is listed as a 30 by 30 as well. We have 14 colors this time. And by the looks of it, again, lots of special shape. Okay. Oh, it's cute. And again, so many drills. So I'm guessing this flower is like entirely special shaped. Same toolkit. And these are the drills. What's this? We don't know what that is, but it is staticky. And in case you're wondering, yeah, I always save all these special shape diamonds for nail art as well. Okay, let me zoom in again so you can check this out. Okay, so let's have a look at these. These are tiny teardrops. Larger teardrops. Oh, I love these. These are pretty. Okay, so this something I've not seen before. Because they're not even rhinestones. They're like more like pearls, like half pearls, with an AB finish, plain silver. Ooh, lots of those. Do we have 2 of those? No, different colors. Okay. Okay. Again, a cute little project. I am impressed so far. It has happened to me that something is listed as a special shape and they're all just like round rhinestones. There are no special shape drills. But maybe we'll get to those. Let's see. This one is actually a 30 by 40, which should probably be a 24 by 34. Oh, what's this one? I don't remember. Oh, right. Okay. Okay, let me zoom in a little. Zoom out a little more because it's quite like this. Oh, this is cute. Only 9 colors this time. And compared to the other thingies, there's not as many drills to be placed. Still, something cute. Not very like a wintry design, more like spring or... But anyway, let's zoom in a little. So yeah, it's a bee with lots of flowers and some bee, you know what I mean. Okay, so we have 9 colors. And yeah, like I mentioned, not a whole lot of drilling to do. That's okay. Let's check out the exact same toolkit. Yeah, I will link the store in the description box, but most of these were like 2 or 3 euros. Hold on. Okay. So this is what the canvas looks like. So we have these huge yellow rhinestones. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, the clear AB. Oh my. Awesome. Perfect. Again, this will be fun to do in between the larger stuff. Okay, so we have one more that is sort of like Halloween, Halloween themed. And again, this is also listed as a 30 by 40. Oh, it's taped. Oh, I don't know why they taped it. Okay, weird. Only 7 colors this time. But oh man. Oh, this is so cute. And just in time. Just in time. Oh, I love this one. Okay. Just 7 colors. It's not a whole lot, but I can already see like double bags of drills, because there is a lot of drilling to do actually. This is so cute. Okay, let's hold on. Zoom in a little so you can see just 7 colors. But awesome detail. Look at how many drills. Awesome. Okay, so let's look at the drills. We're almost there. And again, we have some special shapes. Wow, okay. And we're going to start off with those. These are silver stars. These are very, very interesting. I've never seen these before. Pretty. So we have like the yellow, like pearly rhinestones. We have 2 bags of those. But they also have like an 80 finish. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's pretty. What is this? Oh, okay. Can you see that? It says number 5, but the bag is empty, so they like stapled like a bag of drills to it. It's fine by me, as long as I have enough drills. Okay, interesting. We have some purple. This is really, I can't get over this. Interesting. And some more dark yellow. Awesome. Now let's see if we can finish this in time for Halloween. This will take an hour or more, I think, compared to the other ones. There's a lot more drilling to do. And a lot more drills, diamonds, rhinestones. Okay. Let's get you guys back. So let's look at them one last time. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description box. Maybe we should hold it like this. Yeah, maybe. Just maybe. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Be safe. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.